So you went to put in your retainer last night, only to find that it didn't quite look right. White crusty spots are scattered on the surface of your retainer. Yellow discoloration seems to have replaced the clear or white appearance of your clear retainer. And you may also notice a less than appealing smell coming from your retainer. Yuck! What does this mean? Is this stuff damaging your retainer? Could it be making you sick? Let's look at what these changes mean, how you can avoid them, and what you can do when they strike. Your mouth is filled with natural occurring bacteria. Every time you eat or drink, you will not only feed yourself, but you will feed the bacteria as well. This is especially true of sugary sweets and drinks. When bacteria eats, they produce waste. This waste product combines with saliva, contributes to the buildup of plaque and tartar on your teeth. When you put your retainer into your mouth, bacteria is transferred onto the surface of the retainer. If it's not removed, plaque and tartar can begin to accumulate on the retainer. Those white spots on your retainer are calcium deposits, or plaque and tartar. In clear retainers or aligners, a buildup of bacteria-filled biofilm from your mouth covers the surface of the retainer. When left uncleaned, this film can cause a yellowish appearance. The longer it remains on your retainer, the greater the chance of it becoming hard and the stains becoming permanent. Keeping white spots and discoloration away from your retainer begins with good oral hygiene. Brushing your teeth twice a day definitely helps remove food particles left behind after eating, as well as reducing the bacteria in your mouth. Brushing also removes the biofilm that coats your teeth and reduces the risk of transferring it to your retainer. Flossing at night helps remove food particles that the brushing misses. If you forget to floss, those food particles become an all-night buffet for bacteria. And given that you wear your retainer at night, or at least you should be, that bacteria will continue to grow onto your retainer. But brushing your teeth is only the beginning. You have to remember to clean your retainer at the same time. When you take out your retainer to brush your teeth, you can do small daily cleanses to your retainer that will help remove the biofilm. But what happens when your retainer care routine has been lacking and the spots develop? Is your retainer ready for the trash can? The answer? Well, is maybe. You can try and remove calcium deposits and stains with a few different methods, but if they don't come off, chances are you're going to need a new retainer. We recommend that you give your retainer a deep clean by soaking it for 30 minutes in either Polydent or FreshGuard. But sometimes, no matter what you do, those stubborn crusty spots or stains will still remain. While you may be able to live with the yellowish stains, hard white crusty spots can actually create a problem. As they continue to grow, they can affect how your retainer fits and can eventually cause damage to your retainer. In addition, they are a magnet for other bacteria and can even make you sick. It's important to note that with proper care, most retainers will last for about a year before you need a replacement. If you can't remove the spots, your best bet is to replace your retainer. While this can be a costly expense through your dentist, Sporting Smiles is here to help. Your dentist charges a high cost for a retainer because he has to make the mold of your teeth, send the mold to the lab, have them make the retainer, and ship it back, and then deliver it to you. With Sporting Smiles, you can use our patented self-impression kit to make your own mold, ship it to our dental lab with the prepaid package, and our technicians will create the same high-quality premium retainer that you would get from your dentist. The difference is, we save you hundreds of dollars. If you need a new retainer, and if you feel like saving hundreds of dollars, you can shop our retainers in the link below.